Hello, my creative people. Hope you are doing great and healthy. So, for the upcoming Diwali festival, I made these beautiful DIY projects. I really hope you will like it and try to make this at your home to decor your home during Diwali. By the way, happy Diwali in advance to all my KTV family. Be safe, be healthy, and before starting the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. So let's get started.
Hello.
Starting from the easy project, I took these long candles and soaked them in a jar with warm water, not hot water, for 15 minutes. Leave the upper part open. After 15 to 20 minutes, they became very soft and now you can easily bend them as you want. And your candles are ready for the Diwali. For the second project, I had this macrame roll. I cut into two parts. Now my plan is that I will glue this lace. I bought this lace from Teddy. Before that, I colored this roll with black acrylic color. It's better to color the whole roll. Now I glued the lace around the roll with a hot glue gun. I had lots of pista shells, so I glued them into this circular portion. I made the other one in the same way. Now it's color time. I choose this metallic color for coloring both the candles holder with brass. Just look at this, I really loved this outcome. Now I will color the bottom part too. And your beautiful candle holder is ready. You can also use them to hold diyas instead of candles. For the third project, I used these two sides of wooden sticks. Then I glued this wooden stick into diamond pattern and I made two of them. I colored this panel with black acrylic color. I took some cardboards, then I measured and draw the lines according to the measurements and cut them into pieces. Then I joined two pieces with hot glue gun. If you are using thick cardboard, you don't need to join them. Then I colored them with gold acrylic color. After it dry, I glued the laces into three sides and left one side for joining the panel. I attached a small pieces of cardboard first and then only I joined the main one on top of that. Then I joined with hot glue gun. For the second panel, I made some candle holders design with clay and kept it in oven for 20 minutes. As you can see, it is hard enough to work with now. Then I glued them into this panel. These clay holders are little bit heavy to hold this panel, so I secured the candle holders with clay and wood glue from back side. Now your beautiful two wall candle or diya hangers are ready. Fourth project is similar to the third project. I took lots of small wooden sticks and glued them into a 3D pattern with a hot glue gun. Now I colored with black acrylic color. made clay candles holder and kept them into oven for 20 minutes. Now it's hard enough to work with. Then I glued them with a hot glue gun and secured the candle holders with clay and wood glue from backside. Isn't it easy enough to work with these projects? I made all of this in one day, so definitely you can also do it. Which one did you like? Definitely tell me on my comment section, and if you'll make them at your home, don't forget to send me those pictures on my Insta DM. I would definitely love to see them. So hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram page. Link is on my description box. Don't forget to go to there. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye.